Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Let us transcribe the first 30 letters of the alphabet into sounds. I have transcribed them into names. These are the sounds I'm about to transcribe them into, okay? The way you have a name and you make a sound is the same way all the letters have names and they also make sound. Okay, let's go. The first one is air. B, k, d, e, g, e, j, k, l. That's it. So let me close them up. All right. This is air as in bag, man. Air, b, k, d. This is a as in leg, not a, g, a as in pain, a, j, j, jag, k, l, okay? Air, b, k, d, e, g, e, j, k, l. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you. Bye.